is Angel.
And Snowflake.
And this is the second video for the 12 vids of Christmas. The 12 video on the second video of Christmas, which you will give to me. 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Okay. So here are the lights. Can't really see them that well.
Come back, Emma.
Ooh, pretty. Those are some pretty lights. And here are some. And over here, there's some lights. There's some lights. Ooh, over there. And ooh, those are pretty. Ooh, over there, there's some. And there's some really pretty lights.
Yeah. We don't have much.
Yeah, we don't have much, but I'll show it. Here's some.
At least they won't be in this.
Look over there.
That's our grandma.
That's grandma. Ooh, look at those.
Let's look at the front.
They're changing lights. Those are cool.
So
And well, those are changing color lights. Cool. And that's just the garage. And there's some lights right there. There's the house. There's some. Ooh, snowflakes.
yay, you beat it.
Look at that. What's happening is you have to put them up at one point, then at the end of the Christmas season you have to take them all down again.
Yeah.
That's the thing.
That's hard.
Yeah. Up there.
Christmas tree.
Christmas tree? Cool. And there's some. Yeah, we're at our street. Took the last lights before we get home. Ooh, look at those. And look at those. And there's some up there. There's some changing ones. And there's some. And there's some right there. Ooh, some up there. And
Here's ours.
here's ours. They're not lit up yet. So, that was fun.
Yeah. I'm cold.
So,
I have good out of the goodie bag.
yep. Okay. Okay. So, let's get out there. Okay. So, here's a closer look. And here are some more lights. And here are our lights. Hey, look! I'm not showing it. And here's some more lights.
We don't have much.
And here's some pine stuff hanging on our door. And a couple Christmas trees. So,
Bye.
So please comment, rate, and subscribe to Red Velvet Donut. And as always, peace, love, and donuts. I mean Holly, sorry.